Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, we from Group C and we are going to discuss about insect breeding and biological control agency efficacy. Next, for our member, there is Kiswara Celia with student number 32, Femi Philosophy with number 50, Arvimas Priyama with student number 111, Luhung Bhakti with student number 188, Texenia Saswati with student number 189, Ricky Setiawan with number 201, Humam Yusuf Abdusalam with student number 210, Hanan Zaki with student number 219, and me, Garistia, with student number 204. For the section 1, we are going to talk about breeding of Podoptera insect. Next, for the introduction, pests and approach science are all forms of disturbance in plants. The definition of pest in a narrow sense relates to plant cultivation activity is all animal damage plants or the result which this activity of life can cause economic harm. The existence of an animal in one before causes economic harm the intents doesn't include pests. However, their potential aspects will need to be monitored in an activity called monitoring. All or part of the plant affected by pests will experience a decrease in metabolic function or if be able to function at all, and may eventually lead to death in plants. Via caterpillar or Sphaera is one of the important types of pests that attack crops and vegetables in Indonesia. These pests often cause a decrease in productivity, even failure or harvesting because it causes hollow leaves and fruits. Podoptera sp is polyphag or can attack various types of food crops, vegetables, and fruits. Damage and loss of yield due to caterpillar are determined by pest population, phase of pest development, the growth phase of plants, and plant varieties. The attack of these pests on vulnerable varieties is to very significant losses.
The next is the method. Number 1 is prepare the larva of Spodoptera sp by taking directly from the mustard plant. Number 2, put the tissue to test on the base of the container. Number 3, include the larvae that have been taken and mustard as the food of the larva. Number 4, close the container with a ventilated lid. Number 5, put the plate in a shady place and avoid direct sunlight or rain. Number 6, charge the feed regularly if it has rot or has run out. Number 7, change the base of the tissue regularly when the tissue is dirty. And the last is make observation until the Spodoptera become image or Lepidoptera.
The discussion is in this activity, breeding Spodoptera conducted in vivo in the laboratory. Breeding Spodoptera starting from the larva is taken directly from the mustard plant based on the observation. From the two bred larvae, there are dead larvae, first larva, and there are one larva that managed to become butterfly. Larva 2, Spodoptera are the dead are still in the form of larvae and have not yet become cocoons. Larvae of Spodoptera, the dead are white and hardened in accordance with the literature that these larvae are exposed to NTP. In larva 2, before become cocoon, the larva undergoes several behavioral changes that begin to stop eating and look for a hidden place. In addition, the body of the larva becomes darker and begin to crumble its body. Cocoon Spodoptera dark brown. The cocoon begins to open and becomes a butterfly when the cocoon is 8 years old.
The conclusion to breed and provide pyramid environment fit and to pathogen or fungicide useful pathogen or
Okay, the next is a Biological Control Agency efficiency test on Hong Kong caterpillar insect, rang-rang ants, and coffee fruit borer. Next, first, we talk about the introduction. Biological control agent is any organism that in all stage of its development can be used for the purpose of pest control and disease or plant destruction organism in the production processing of agricultural products and various purposes. One of the biological control agents is Beauveria bassiana fungus. Beauveria bassiana fungus is an entomopathogen fungus, which is a fungus that can use disease in insects. Almost all insects can be infected by it. Beauveria bassiana enters the body of the host insect through the skin, gastrointestinal tract, spiracles, and other holes. The fungal inoculum attached to the body of the host insect will germinate and develop to form a tube of spores, then enter through the skin of the body. In the next process, the fungus will reproduce inside the host body. The fungus will develop in the body of the host and attack the entire tissue of the body so that insect die. Next.
The next is method. Method preparation of solution B. bassiana. First is observe the amount of kain B. bassiana using a microscope. If the number of conidia has met the standard of SNI and APH, that is with the amount of more than 106, then B. bassiana can be used. B. Take 30 grams of B. bassiana from the corn bread and dissolve it in 100 milliliter waters, and C. Filter the solution and put it in the hand sprayer. Then Hong Kong caterpillar first is preparing a cup container as many as 18 pieces, then put 10 Hong Kong caterpillars in each cup, then put banana peel to test in each container, and then spraying B. bassiana solution into 9 cup container that have been filled with Hong Kong caterpillars, each one spray, and then marking the container to mark the third caterpillars and without treatment. And then make daily observation for 4 days. And then for ants, first prepare a cup container as much as 2 pieces, and then put 10 ants in each cup, and then spraying B. bassiana solution into 1 cup container that has been filled with ants as much as 1 spray, marking the container to mark the treated and untreated ants, and make daily observation for 4 days.
Okay, the next is table from Beauveria bassiana treatment of Hong Kong caterpillar. From the table, we can calculate that daily cumulative mortality percentage for 4 days is control is 10% and after treatment is 100%. Cumulative percentage for 2 days after application is controlled by 3.3% and after treatment 40%. Next, for Beauveria bassiana's treatment of N, daily cumulative mortality percentage for 4 days, control by 100% and after treatment 100%. The cumulative percentage 2 days after application, control by 90% and after treatment 100%. Next. And the last, Beauveria bassiana treatment of coffee beer. Daily cumulative mortality percentage for 4 days, controlled by 100% and after treatment 100%. And the cumulative percentage 2 days after application is control 60% and after treatment 100%. Next.
Discussion. The biological control agent used in practicum efficacy test against Hong Kong caterpillar insect, rangrang ant, and coffee fruit borer. This time is Beauveria bassiana fungus. Based on the results of observation, can be known that the mortality of Hong Kong caterpillar and coffee fruit borer treat and without treatment show significant difference. Hong Kong caterpillar and coffee fruit borer treat show a faster increase in death each day. From the calculated data, the difference occurred in Hong Kong caterpillar, namely after 2 days of application, 24 individual or 40% of Hong Kong caterpillar day. In the coffee borer, the mortality rate with treatment reached 100%. This is due to the presence of Beauveria bassiana infection in Hong Kong caterpillar and coffee fruit borer trait. The pistil spot is Beauveria bassiana that lives on the body of Hong Kong caterpillar. The LT50 value is the time needed to kill 50% of the number of larvae tested at a certain concentration, while the LT90 value is the time to kill 90% of the number of larvae tested at a certain concentration.
Conclusion. Based on the practicum that has been carried out, it can be seen the effectiveness of the biological control agent fungus Beauveria bassiana in the biological control efficacy test against Hong Kong caterpillar and coffee fruit borer. Beauveria bassiana fungus had a significant effect on Hong Kong caterpillar and coffee fruit borer, but not ants. Maybe that's all our presentation, and thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.